Yes, people, Mosha again from MOSHAS Reggae Lounge. I have two people that one from England. One of them is from Spain, the other one is from England, and they both live in England. They was here the other day, and I made them some food. This morning I made them some Jamaican Rastaman saltfish rundown and bami. And look on the plate almost done. See? That's the bami, little avocado. Look this up. Look this up.
Yeah, it's going down.
It's going down with some dumpling and banana. And this is Pilar. Pilar, what do you think about the breakfast, baby? Tell the people.
Amazing.
Pilar is very shy. She don't like to talk, you know. She just like to eat. She comes from Spain, and we're gonna find her a nice husband.
Okay.
And this one, a little pretty one over here, so named Millie.
Hi. You're
This
right.
Millie, what do you think about the breakfast, baby?
It's good, the breakfast. It's the second time we're eating here now, and it's really good.
She enjoyed.
Fresh. The food's fresh and tasty.
Yeah, she didn't feel too well because she drank too much. Now I hope she's feeling better. Look, she's eating
it's
food.
healing me. I'm coming back to life.
Right.
Slowly, I'm coming back to life with every mouthful.
With the food of love, not you, baby.
Yeah, absolutely. I know it's made with love.
And then you know something. They told me that they can't get good food like this in England. They get Jamaican food, but not like this. But yeah, people. So these are the two beautiful people that came back this morning. I was busy, but I had to hook them up with some Jamaican breakfast. And you know how we do it? Everything cooked fresh. Look at Millie. She not even take no break. Look, man.
Yeah, if you can stop filming me so I can eat that.
All right, go on, eat, baby. She's shy. They're very shy.